little tongue coming out.
So sweet.
You okay, my buddy? You ready?
Are you ready to fly? You look sleepy.
You open your hand?
It's open.
You wanna fly, buddy?
You okay?
I don't know. Oh, I don't think so.
What? Like what? What might have happened to him?
Oh, poor guy.
What happened to him?
I don't know. Did you guys see him fall to the ground?
Yeah, I saw him fall.
Fall from where? Did you hit the fence?
All I saw is something flying and then hit the ground. I thought it was a butterfly. And I saw him and I looked and it was.
What?
Oh, poor puppy.
I wonder what's wrong with him.
Here.
Bye!
Bye, buddy.